Good morning. I'm Robin Gary from the Dougherty Art Center, and this is where I work when I'm not teaching, Fireseed Clay Art Studios. Come take a look inside. In this shared studio, I have access to tables, a slab roller, pottery wheels, an inside sink, because we all love an inside sink, right? And I'm taking you over to my booth so you can see where I actually work. And I'll show you some of my projects that I have been working on. We'll start with sheep. I don't know where my fascination came from. I found the barn door rollers first and came up with word association with those rollers, and sheepskate was born. I have some sheep planters. I have been putting sheep in metal parts drawers as well, kind of as condominiums. This larger sheep will be a lamp sometime soon. When I was in New York, I found this beautiful, beautiful hoist, and I have a pair of them, and I hope to make some sheepskates on that, in fact, this week. It's never a dull moment. I'm practicing a new technique, printing on clay using underglazes and various techniques. These portraits are from a sculpture I did. It's hard to see on this picture. There you go. That's the sculpture, a photograph of it. And you do various things with it to get these prints to come out. I'm very excited about that process. I've been working on some oyas for the garden. There's the other hoist. And then I have some sculptures that often are just hanging out. I have access to a lot of wonderful glazes as well as kiln space. It really is a very creative space to work in with all the people that are here. Thank you for joining me on this mini studio tour at Fireseed Clay Art Studios. You can find more from the Dougherty Art Center on this page.